BBQ Cleaning Experts, Mike and Matt here from Canadian BBQ Boys.
We're fresh off our appearance on CBC's Dragon's Den.
In this video, we're going to be talking about the health hazards of using a dirty grill.
So if you haven't cleaned your barbecue in the last 4 to 6 months, there's a good chance that rodents and insects have found their way into the barbecue for one reason or another. We often find dead mice, rats, chipmunks, and various insects inside the barbecue, usually in there to feed on those fat drippings and that grease buildup inside the barbecue. The problem with this is when you heat up the barbecue and you turn it on, these flames make their way through the barbecue and ultimately get onto the food that you put on the surface.
Now, the second thing we see most commonly is carbonized grease. So this can be seen actually on the inside of the hood. Typically, it looks like a black paint-like substance that can actually flake off and go into your food when you close down the hood without you even noticing. And this could be potentially harmful when cooked into the food. There's also a big issue with carcinogens if you have excessive grease and grime buildup throughout the barbecue.
And the last issue is mold and mildew, which comes with excessive moisture. So people in coastal regions next to lakes and oceans commonly see this in their barbecue, but it can happen to just about anyone who has their barbecue exposed to the elements such as rain and snow. This is obviously an issue and needs to be addressed as soon as you see any yellow or green-like substance inside your barbecue.
Now, the 3 health hazards that we covered here are rodent droppings and dead insects, carbonized grease, as well as mold and mildew. We'd love it if you can share your health hazard experiences with your barbecues in the comment section below. Thanks a lot.